Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. It really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool selfie stick / tripod by a company called CooCoCo or Comfort. Once you open it up, you are going to get the instruction manual. It's pretty self-explanatory. You are also going to get a little tiny USB to USB Type-C charging cable because this tripod has a light built onto it. So once you then open it up, you're going to get the tripod itself. So as you can see, it's nice and compact. When you open it up here on the smallest size, it is approximately 16 inches tall. However, this thing can extend up to 63 inches tall, and you just simply pull on it, and it just keeps telescoping to the length that you need, and then you kind of push it down if you need to. Now, another really cool feature of it is this thing is designed to help with shaking when you are like walking around. How it does that is it has this little handle here. So when you hold this, it is basically keeping your hand from basically moving the tripod part itself. And so you can walk around and be more stable. This turns 360 degrees. And then there is also a little Bluetooth remote. So if you are away, this thing will work up to 32 feet in an open area. Simply can press this button to take a photo or start recording. And then of course it stores really nicely right here in this handle. So that way when you are not utilizing it, you don't lose it. Now on the top part here, you have a little knob. Just simply turn that, and that's going to allow this thing to rotate basically 270 degrees. That way you are getting always the perfect angle, whether you're shooting upward or shooting downward. Really simple to use. And then when you're ready to tighten it up again, you can do that. Now, as far as where your phone sits, it sits on this part that just will stretch to open up for your phone. And as you can see right here on the top is a little spot for the light. So that way, if you do need a little extra boost at light, let's say it's nighttime or dusk, you can turn that on and light up the surroundings. Now, this thing also does rotate around 360 degrees. So once again, that way you can find the perfect angle. And then on the back here, you'll see right there is a 1/4 inch screw. So that is perfect for if you are wanting to push this down and put a GoPro on there, for example, or if you have an external ring light or something like that, it can be mounted here on this little 1/4 inch thing. But overall, this is a really cool tripod because essentially it can capture all the different angles, and that's one of the big reasons I like it is you can really tweak it so that way when you're out and about, you can capture the angle in the view that you want. It is made out of all of like a plasticky material, so it is super lightweight. It's not very heavy to carry around, so if you're going hiking or if you're out in like Europe or somewhere that you don't want to carry around a heavy tripod, this is really, really super light, which is another advantage of it. But overall, if you are in the market for a great tripod / selfie stick, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.